everybody. It's episode 16 of resurrection of this rusty E36. So I'm a bit tired of this dust everywhere here and this mess. So I want to today to cut off all rusty places which I want to replace, and after this is clean it everything and clean the workshop so I don't have dust anymore, and I just will continue with finishing with welding tomorrow. I have also worked a bit with the rear suspension. I have unscrewed the axles and so let's grab the grinder and cut everything. Prepare for welding.
Tick-tock, timeless, falling, silence, do roll, mindless, take off, pilot, ready for blast off, get ready for blast off, pilot, go, take off, pilot, already told you I'm a one-on-one, I'm about to bust the whole summer up, plotting you think that I'm dumb or something.
Guys, I have tech welded this repair panel in. I need to finish it, but now I will move to the spare wheel arch and fix it. So I won't have much of grinding more. Yeah, I have found some bad repairs on the rear side. It looks like the car had a small accident from the rear, because light is small because the fifth wheel arch from the rear side is not damaged at all. It was damaged only this bar which is going above the bumper. So yeah. Now I will go and prepare this piece. Also I will cut this one and
just to run it up. All my best friends dead. Don't take that to the head. Would've thought I worked for
the form of this arch from sedan and coupe is different a bit, but still. And while cutting out the template, I messed up and I cut this repair piece too short, and I will need to put here a strip. Not perfect at all, and I'm a bit disappointed and angry on myself, but I can't fix it right now. I can't repair it. I cannot find a different part for repairing, so I will have to weld it and grind it. Yep, this is it, and this is also the end of the day one. I don't have time for work anymore, but tomorrow I will finish with this piece and I will fix other small places which I need to fix, and hopefully I will have time on Monday evening, and I will finally finish the welding on this body. Yep. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Day 2, episode 16, 15, something like this. You know where I have finished yesterday, and today I need to move forward with these repairs. So first of all, I will finish with the repair spare wheel arch, and after this will be ready, then I will move forward. Also, this is one place which I need to repair, but I have today talked to guys, our local guys, who are producing wider over fenders for E36, and probably they will sponsor my build, and I will receive over fenders which are like 5 centimeters wider than the original base, so I can fit my wheels in. And this will help me also to repair this piece. I won't weld original arch, as I want the car to be lower, so I will cut it right here and connect the outer material with inner one, and also repair this piece. But this I will do when I will rotate the car. First of all, the underbody. So let's start working, and I will stop my work on some interesting places. Look at this repair. I don't know how to explain my feelings. Why people are doing such repair? They didn't cut out the damaged material at all. They didn't clean it at least, or put some anti-rust, or I don't know. They just cut it the plate and put it over, and that's it, with some tack welds. The more I'm doing this car, the more these crazy repairs I can find here. It's quite disappointing, but we are too far already in it, and sure, I will repair it, and but I plan to finish today, but I won't. So let's go.
Pilot. Get out the box, but don't get out your word. What you heard? You lit on the first, but you're dead by the third. Getting burned.
This is it. It took me, okay, it's only tack welded, I need to weld it fully, but it took me like 15 minutes to repair this side, this piece. Why people can't do everything right? Because they just, I don't know, spent here like 10 minutes. But if somebody had repaired it properly before, I haven't had to do this. But okay, this is fixed, and I'm happy how easy it was. So this will be the end for this episode. Hope you liked it. I probably will come tomorrow and fully weld everything. So also I will weld the outer rocker panel, and with this said, the welding process of the, let's say, the bottom of the car is finished, and we will move forward. So please subscribe to my Instagram channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend.